Hi everyone, my name is Greeshma. I am from Hyderabad. I recently completed my B.TECH in Computer Science and Engineering at Joginpalli BR Engineering College. And I joined the Jspiders in the month of December in Data Analyst course. The course covers the Python, SQL and also Excel, Power BI and Python libraries. My Python trainer was Shashwat sir. He explained the Python in the very easy manner and with the real-time examples. And also my SQL trainer was Jana ma'am, and for Excel and Power BI trainer was Mohan sir. He explained the concepts and work in the Power BI and Excel with the real-time data. He collects the data from various sources and help us to understand how Power BI and Excel has to work in the real-time data. And I have attended the Python and SQL mocks, and which helped me to understand the interview questions and how I have to perform in the interview, and helped me to gain the knowledge how the interviewers analyze the student, analyze the fresher, and also now with the help of mocks I have got placed in the and thank you for Jspiders.